How to fix Steam Store not loading/working. If you're experiencing issues with the Steam Store not loading or functioning properly, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve these problems efficiently. We'll cover several practical solutions to get your Steam client back on track. So let's get started. So first, open a Steam app and log in your account like mine is already logged in so that we can go to the next step. While we are in the Steam app, click the Steam button at the top left of the Steam app. The menu appears. Just click the Settings tab so that we can proceed. While we are in the Settings tab, click the Downloads tab so that we can proceed. While we are in the Downloads tab, find the Clear Download Cache and click the Clear Cache to clear all cache from the Steam app. If the Steam app is still not functioning properly, let's go to the main screen and right-click the Steam app. The menu appears. Just click Run as Administrator to run the Steam app as an administrator. If the Steam app still does not run, just uninstall and reinstall the Steam app and open it after the app is installed to see the result. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve issues with the Steam Store not loading. Regular maintenance, such as clearing the cache and keeping your client updated, can help prevent future problems. If issues persist, after these troubleshooting steps, consider checking Steam support forums for additional assistance or potential server issues.